Well, HCL Tech reported good numbers. This is in a quarter which was to see full impact on account of COVID. In fact, in line with most of the tier 1 IT players, HCL Tech did positively surprise in terms of the margins and profitability. And not just that, HCL Tech also has resumed the annual guidance. Firstly, just in terms of the annual guidance, well, the management now expects revenue to increase quarter on quarter by an average of 1.5 to 2.5% in constant currency terms for the next 3 quarters. In fact, in terms of the EBIT margin, they have guided for 19.5 to 20.5% for FY21. Management also mentions that robust demand environment and strong deal pipeline gives them confidence in terms of growth. In fact, in terms of the results, if we look at it, it was a beat in terms of the EBIT margins as well as the profitability, but the dollar revenue growth, of course, has degrown largely in line with ET Now poll expectations. In constant currency terms, revenues degrew by 7.2%. Dollar revenue did see a degrowth of 7.4% at 2356 million. EBIT margin came in at 20.5%, which is down nearly around 40 odd bips on a sequential basis, and this is when ET Now poll expected the EBIT margin to decline by close to around 160 bips. Profits at 2925 crore, down nearly around 7.3% QOQ. Management also mentioned that they have signed nearly around 11 transformational deals in Q1 and that Q1 new bookings total contract value is much higher than the previous quarter. Management also mentioned that the bookings have gone up. They are seeing the demand overall improving. Margins have been helped on account of better revenue mix between the Mode 2 and Mode 3, which is essentially the products and the platforms segment. Management also mentioned that they have completed 1 year of acquiring IBM, which would be now housed under HCL Software, and the demand for e-commerce digital marketing HCL Software is seen improving. In terms of the vertical wise revenue mix, well, we did see IT and business services degrowing 7.8% in constant currency terms on a quarter on quarter basis, and engineering R&D segment degrew by 9 odd percent. In fact, IT and business services does contribute nearly around 70% to the overall revenues. America again has been fairly resilient, while Europe has seen a huge amount of degrowth by nearly around 8.5%, while America did degrow by nearly around 6.9%. And do note that HCL Tech derives nearly around 63% of the revenues from America. In terms of financial services vertical, well, that has been resilient, a degrowth of just around 1.7%. Manufacturing and telecom vertical, however, did see a degrowth of close to around 9% and 15.5% respectively. Overall, it is a good quarter for HCL Tech in an environment which was hit on account of COVID. Management has given a positive guidance as well. The stock had already run up and hit 52-week high just ahead of the results, and it did end with marginal gains in today's trade.